Let me ask you something honestly. Do you feel that you can't improve your English because you don't have anyone to practice with? What if I tell you you don't need any partner to improve English? Yes, you can practice English alone at home and still become confident in speaking. In today's video, I will share practical and powerful method to improve your English that I personally use as a beginner. The first method is mirror practice. Stand in front of mirror and start speaking in English. Talk about simple topics like your daily routine, what you did today, your plans. At first, you feel uncomfortable, but that's okay. This method helps you improve fluency, confidence, and body language. This is one of the most powerful habits. Start talking to yourself in English during your daily activities. For example, now I am cooking food. I am cleaning my room. I am making a video. This habit helps you think in English, stop translating, speak naturally. Third, look around you and describe everything in English. For example, there is a chair. The wall is white. The room looks clean. Try to add some details. Fourth, record your voice while speaking English. Then listen carefully. Ask yourself, am I making mistakes? Am I speaking clearly? How is my pronunciation? This method helps in self-correction and fluency improvement. Fifth, watch English videos and repeat after the speaker. This is called shadowing technique. Listen carefully and copy the speaker. Tone, pronunciation, and speed. This will help you sound more natural and fluent. Sixth, after watching a video or reading a story, try to retell it in your own words. For example, this video is about learning English. The story about is a king. This improves your speaking ability, confidence, and think in English. I also want to share my personal experience. I also a beginner. I practice alone at home. I use this method daily, like speaking in front of mirror, talk to myself, recording my voice, and honestly, I can see a big improvement in my confidence and fluency. That's why I'm sharing this method with you. So don't try to speak perfect English. Try to speak simple and clear English. And remember, fluency comes from practice, not from perfection. If you want fast improvement, follow this method. 5-minute mirror practice. 5-minute self-talk. 5-minute listen plus repeat. Just 15-minute daily can change your English. So remember, you don't need a partner to learn English. You just need consistency and daily practice. Start today. Practice alone and you will see improvement very soon. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn English with Prachi. And comment below which method will you try today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.